Hello everyone, welcome to Neurosapiens.
In today's tutorial, we will look at how to close the Tableau Public application once it is opened. So first, you will need to open Tableau Desktop Public Edition. Once it is opened, in the landing page, go to the top right corner and click on the red X button. So this X button here, when I hover over it, it gives me the tooltip pop-up which says it's closed. And this will close your Tableau Desktop session. Alternatively, you can go to the left corner and click on the File tab here, and in the drop-down list, at the very end, there's an option called Exit. If you click on the Exit option, this will also close your Tableau Public Desktop application that is currently running. So this is how you can close your Tableau Public Desktop session that you have opened.
If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe and click the notification bell for weekly videos. Please share the video with anyone who you think would benefit from the content and comment below what topics you would like to learn. If you would like to support this channel and have the means to do so, the best way will be via my Patreon link in the description below. Happy learning and I'll see you in the next tutorial.